Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon from pigs. We will go through each essential step, from selecting the right cut of pork to the final smoking and slicing. Making your own bacon is a rewarding culinary adventure, offering superior flavor and control over ingredients. You will learn the precise techniques to transform a simple pork belly into a delicious, savory treat for your breakfast table or any meal. The first crucial step is curing the pork belly. You will need a fresh pork belly, ideally weighing between 5 and 7 pounds. Prepare a dry cure using a precise blend of kosher salt, brown sugar, and pink curing salt No. 1. Rub this mixture thoroughly over all surfaces of the pork belly. Place it in a sealed bag or container and refrigerate for 7 to 10 days, flipping it daily to distribute the cure evenly. Once the curing period is complete, it is time to rinse and dry the pork belly. Remove the belly from its container and rinse it thoroughly under cold running water for several minutes to remove all excess cure. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. Then, place the belly on a wire rack, uncovered, in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 days. This drying process forms a sticky surface called a pellicle, which helps the smoke adhere beautifully. The final exciting step is smoking your cured pork belly. Preheat your smoker to a consistent temperature of 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Smoke the belly until its internal temperature reaches 150 degrees Fahrenheit, which typically takes several hours. Once smoked, allow the bacon to cool completely before slicing it thinly, either by hand or with a meat slicer. Your delicious homemade bacon is now ready to enjoy or store in the refrigerator or freezer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.